Thanks for inviting me.
Sure. I'm going to put my mask on. I personally have a little bit of... I understand the purpose behind the recording, that why you'd like to record, and the whole issue with the public officials and all that stuff. However, I feel uncomfortable with you recording when we're having a discussion regarding this whole process. Mm-hmm. So, do you respect my wishes?
Is it a lawful request?
Well, is it a lawful request to do what you're doing now?
It is absolutely 100%.
Under what authority?
Under the fundamental rights and freedoms of the press for the Canadian Charter. It's Section 2B.
So, are you the press?
I am. Every citizen in Canada has the ability to freedom of the press, yes.
I can listen to your concerns. No issues.
Okay.
But obviously I'm running, from what you're saying is, I can't even get your name. So that creates a problem right there. So
but
I don't even know who I'm talking to.
That's fine.
I don't know who I'm talking to. No, that's not fine. So what I'm going to do, you know who I am? I had the decency to give you my name. You refused to give me your name, so we're going to start with here.
Is it your policy to give me
I'm not
your
going to, listen, this is over with. I'm not going to take your complaint if you're not going to cooperate with me. Mm-hmm. You're not cooperating. You're not refusing to turn off your recording because I want it turned off, but you refuse to turn it off. No. So I'm not going to take your complaint. It's simple as that.
So I can't file complaints
against
my rights being violated?
Yes, you can.
Okay. And am I legally allowed to record inside this federal building?
No.
Why?
Because I told you so.
Is that the law?
Yes.
Can you show me the law?
Well, can you show me the law that gives you the right to record it?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead. Go get it.
I don't have to. You should know.
No, go get it.
It's the fundamental rights and freedoms.
I'm going to ask you to leave.
It's Section 2B.
You're not cooperating. You're being very argumentative. You're here to make a complaint, but you're refusing to give me a complaint.
I feel like I've been very cordial, very reasonable.
Actually, you should go read the law again, my young friend.
Can you show it to me?
Well, can you show me the law where it says you can?
Well, you are the law enforcement. Can you please show me the law where it says that?
Listen.
Can you please show me the law?
You can record away all you want.
Okay.
I've given you my name.
You're against the law.
No, you cannot record the private conversations of these people in here.
Can you show me the law that states that?
Well, I probably could.
I would love to see that. And if it is by law, I will absolutely stop it.
Well, I'll tell you what. I'll email you that law. But in the meantime, I'm going to have to ask you to leave if you're going to disrupt if you're going to cause a disturbance here pretty soon, sir.
I'm not the one causing any disturbance, sir.
Well,
I'm not breaking any law.
Actually, in a way, are starting to cause a disturbance by not letting these people listen. These people are having private conversations, and you're recording that.
Time for you to go, because we only have one group of people here right now under our COVID policy, so you need to exit.
Can I get your name and badge number?
No, out you go. Out you go, man.
I can't get your name and badge number?
Nope, out you go.
So are you unlawfully trespassing me from this public building?
Yes.
You are?
Great, out you go.
Well, they locked it now. Hello? Like, did you all catch that on the video? Why are they knocking on the window at me?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Mine?
You work here?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
You work for the public?
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name's Monica. Why?
Like, you understand where I'm coming from, right?
Do you understand where I'm coming from?
I understand you work for the public, and there's
I do, but it doesn't mean that I get to be on camera.
It's you're on camera back there.
No, I'm not.
So there's no cameras in this building? That's strange. That's very strange.
So I'm gonna have to ask you to leave.
And is this not a public building?
You have they don't want you here.
I was asking some information, and she literally closed the window on me.
No, I asked to not be on camera. And you said that I don't have any rights because I'm in a public job.
You work for the public.
Right, so that doesn't mean I need to be on camera.
Well, that's
and
fine.
You're not respecting my request. And after I asked you numerous times, you did not respect my request. I said I don't want a camera in my face.
Right. Am I breaking
And
the law?
I have that right to privacy because I work for the public. Doesn't mean that I need to be on camera.
I'm just trying to figure out, guys.
You're invading my privacy. You're being disrespectful.
There's no expecting of privacy in public when you work for the public, ma'am. I'm just looking for some transparency here. I was just asking
Where do you live?
I live here in Nova Scotia.
Okay,
You have no reason to be here. I'm gonna ask you to leave.
Please leave. I've asked you numerous times.
Are you threatening me with arrest?
Oh.
Honestly, are you threatening
If you don't leave, I'm going to arrest you.
So, all right, do you have a supervisor here today?
Nope. I am as close as you get to a supervisor.
And what's your rank?
Constable.
You're a constable?
Yep.
Okay, it's not very high on the rank. Is you got a sergeant, anything like that? You got a...
There's nobody here
Who's
but
the
me.
chief of police?
Mark Kane. Alrighty.
So is there anything I'm doing illegal right now?
I don't have any issues with this.
So you just threw me out
They
for...
have an issue, and I know you're not a resident of the town.
How do you know?
I've never seen you before.
Because I've never broken any law.
All down Nova Scotia.
Small town Nova Scotia, how do I know the guy who's working for you right now?
What?
The guy who the plumbing and heating?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, well, yeah, so it is small town, but you know what? I'm not from here. I've moved here quite recently. However, it doesn't negate that the law is the law. Fact is a fact. You
Right,
can't...
but they just weren't comfortable with you filming them.
They work for the
were-
public. Maybe
were-
maybe they should get a job in the private sector, right?
I can't help the way they feel about things.
Right, but
okay?
are you the feelings police?
No, and they asked you to leave multiple
Are you law
times.
enforcement?
I am, and I enforce law under the Property Protection Act.
Mask up, please.
You know what? Because you're so nice, I will. You know there's no law, though.
Well, we do have it posted on our front door asking all
Right.
people
Yeah.
to come in to mask up. So
Yeah.
if you don't mind, I would like you to mask up. I do have masks here if you need one.
For sure. So, and this one is okay?
That one is okay, yeah?
Is it medically protecting anyone, or?
It probably is not, but
Okay, so
I prefer
we're
you to be masked.
so we're just pretending. Okay, and your name was?
That's okay.
All right. Do you work for the public?
Thank you. There's someone else coming in. So if you're waiting for Mr. King.
Oh,
Hi there.
How are you?
You can't film in past this week because it's a secure area.
Because I'm standing in a publicly accessible area, I can
This
film
behind
into it.
here's a secure area, so yeah, carry on.
Carry on. So is
You
that
won't
is
be able
that?
to speak to me? You'll have to turn your camera off to come into the secure area.
So you're not willing to come out to the public and speak to me?
I'm asking you to come inside because you want to discuss a complaint against an officer.
I want to chat with you beforehand about the whole incident, and if we can go into a public area for the public.
No, if anybody comes through the door, I want to protect the rights of the officer as well. So I've spoke to the Crown, and as soon as you start harassing people and they claim it's harassment, you can be criminally charged.
Am I being criminally charged?
So I'm asking you to leave. Otherwise, I'll have to arrest you for harassment.
You're
Thank you.
about to.
Goodbye.
So I can't make complaints.
Thank you.
Can I get
You
can
can
I
make a
get the
complaint.
information
Thank you.
for the mayor?
Thank you. Goodbye, sir.
Tyrant.